How's it going? What's up? What's happening there? Bless beautiful souls. Welcome to the Crypto Bliss Show. I'm Kiara Cass and I'll be taking the show for today, as I do every other day, of course. Yeah, guys. So first of all, I just want to give a shout out to every single one of you beautiful subscribers on the channel. To all 605 of you, thank you so much for your subscribing and your subscriptions to the channel and the content. It shows me that you guys are really enjoying the content and you're loving it. I was hoping that we would get by the end of Sunday the 600 mark, and we smashed through it right past it. So thank you to every single one of you. I really do appreciate you all, you blessed beautiful souls. And of course you're loving the content, and that's why you're continuing to subscribe to the channel. You guys can see that I feel so boisterous and super excited today. So none of that is going to get in the way of us trading. So I hope you guys have been enjoying the videos that I've been doing for you, especially the trading videos that I've been doing, these ones here. So I'm still in a few of my trades, and if you like, make sure to stay subscribed to the channel, and I will go and show you the trades in a little bit and where we at and the percentages that they're at. And yeah, so we're in quite a few. I think we're in 6 trades. We did get a take profit on one of them yesterday. So boom, well done to all of you that took profits on that one. And I did go over it in this video here. And yeah, I did say to you that there were going to be a number of trades that are looking super delicious and bullish. So let's not waste any more time on the video, because we have a lot to get through today on the video. You guys always know, if you want to trade these with me, I have my Bybit link down below in the video description. Right over here, you can get a Bybit $30,000 deposit bonus right there. And then all of these other links here you can get in and basically, yeah, you can earn free money, make good cash, and you can earn some free crypto, of course, as well. And there is a lot to share with you guys in a moment in this video. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get to it. Okay. Crypto market cap finally above the $1.2 trillion market cap again. 1,212 billion. The trading volume has almost doubled in the past 24 hours, which means that there is liquidity and velocity that is coming back into the market, which is wonderful. The coins, we've fallen about 600 coins since I last spoke about that, which was maybe like a month ago, which is okay. So we're nearly at 40 billion in trading volume, which is wonderful. Bitcoin is 27,938, so we're well over that 27.5 K mark. The Ethereum price is at 1902, which is great. BNB is at 315, and XRP at 48 cents, Cardano at 38 cents, Lido at 1901, and Dogecoin at 7.3 cents, Matic at 93 cents, Solana at 20.74, Tron at 7.7 cents, Polkadot at 549, Litecoin at 91.35, Shiba at 880, Avalanche 14.75, Uni at 516, Chainlink at 660, and 1088 for Cosmos. So beautiful deliciousness in the market today, guys, as always, as usual. In the Fear and Greed Index today, we are currently sitting at 52, which is it's the same, but different, okay? For me, the only time that will matter is when we're actually going to the extreme territories of it. So, guys, I don't know what the hell is going on with the Hex, but Hex is literally just, it's dropping zeros even, which is very interesting and very scary, because essentially Hex is a great coin with a great developer and a great director behind the project, and it is community run. Pulse has fallen on its ass. Pulse X has fallen on its ass. And that was very strange because, you know, obviously those 3 coins are all together and we were expecting those to make a crazy pump up. But I guess the bull market hasn't quite started yet, has it? My OTA keeps pumping up, another 9% today. IMX is up. USDC down 4.2%. Oh, that's very interesting. Oh, that is very interesting. Let's go and see what's going on there, guys. Because for a stable coin to be down 4.2%, no, we're stable. So you see, sometimes the crypto bubbles are not 100% right, eh? See, because that's saying minus 4.2% there, but yeah, it's not. All right, so end of game for the crypto bubbles right now. The calendar, guys, today there's absolutely no news. Memorial Day, I don't know what Memorial Day it is, but all markets are closed. The S&P Schiller is coming out tomorrow. Consumer confidence is coming out tomorrow. Consumer confidence makes the market moves. We have a Fed chair speaking tomorrow. On Wednesday, we have ADP employment. This is going to make the market move. ADP and job openings are going to make the market move. Plus, we have some Fed speaking again. Then also initial jobless claims, US productivity, ISP manufacturing, ISM manufacturing. All of those are going to make the market move. Plus, on Friday, because Friday is first Friday of the month, we have a new month now. June is on Thursday. So we will have the non-employment, non-farm payrolls, which is this here, the US employment report. So it's weird that they call it US employment report because it's actually called the non-farm payrolls. Okay. And basically now they're saying that from previous, they're saying 188. So I guess they're trying to make the dollar continue to pump even harder. Okay. US unemployment rate, they're calling it 3.5. If it goes 3.6, guys, the market will pump. All non-risk assets, on-risk assets will pump. Okay. Like crazy. US hourly wages are coming down. Okay. Hourly wages on year per year coming down. So not a lot of good news for the American market. Let's go and have a look at any type of news that there may be out there. At the moment, first mover, Asia. Bitcoin rises past 28K on debt ceiling deal. Okay, so that's absolutely phenomenal. Now I had another article. Oh, here. So check it out. Okay, this was just 2 hours ago. Don't expect the stock markets to rejoice about the debt ceiling deal. Yeah, we don't know about that, eh? Republican Representative Rosendale to vote against the $4 trillion debt ceiling deal. Insult to the American people. He's right. He's 100% right. But what do they do? Do they default, which they won't? Or do they raise the debt ceiling, which they will? And they have. So now they've postponed the debt ceiling until, they've actually postponed the American default on the US economy, on their debt, has been postponed to 2025 now. So is this another start to a bull run? Because if I can tell you something, this was very similar talks to what was happening around 21 when they had to inject the market with C19 and funds. Okay. Debt deal. Did Biden find reasonable middle or give away too much? Well, he probably gave away a bit too much. That's just who he is. But yeah, I do believe that this guy is right in terms of insulting the American people. And actually, it's not only Americans. So don't be a doofus, man. Like, you're insulting the whole world by doing this because the whole world runs on the US dollar. Okay, so it's not only there. $4 trillion in debt increase is going to have a massive effect on the rest of the world as well. So the debt ceiling has been risen. That's what happened in the market. And yeah, I think that's about the most news for the day. Really, there isn't terribly much news. The only other thing that I can show you is this here. So yeah, this article here. So Russia, Ukraine war live. Zelensky thanks Air Defense Forces explosion. Rock Kiev for second night in a row. So I think that's part of why Bitcoin is also pumping. So not only is the debt ceiling rising, but the war is continuing to increase in terms of its damage. So you can see right now we're still green on the dollar. We're waiting for it to wake up. It probably won't wake up today because it's a holiday, as it said. But essentially, yeah, once it wakes up, guys, I do feel as though the dollar will push up to this level. Okay. And then at that point, we're probably going to have a very, very strong hard reversal which will be very good for risk on assets, which will essentially make this and Bitcoin and Ethereum and crypto pump. Yes, I'm being, I'm emphasizing here. So I want to go and show you something now, guys. So two things here on the Bitcoin chart. This is first of all the 4-hour chart. So Carl from the Moon spoke about a head and shoulders pattern that was forming. So shoulder, this should have been, okay, well, actually, that probably would have been on the daily time frame. Yeah. So let's just refresh this chart because it's not doing anything. So on the daily time frame, really, it was more than anything, it was a double bottom. So there's one bottom there, one bottom there. We've had a strong buy signal in yesterday's candle, and now we don't really like to buy on the weekend, but it was a very strong move and we broke out of the level. So it invalidated coming further down just temporarily. The RSI on the daily is coming up to an overpoint sold, an overbought area very soon. Volume hasn't been that great, but there has been some sort of volume, which is better than no volume. Now on the 8-hour, you can see here, on the 8-hour, we're actually decent volume. We made a crazy pump. We remained above this purple box. We remained here. We invalidated this triangle pattern that we were that we faked out this way, and then we faked out this way, found support, and then we pumped straight back up. So we actually had a double fake out in this area here, and then we broke out of this stronger resistance line plus the upward sloping channel here. We closed that previous 8-hour candle right above it. Okay, and if we break it down to the 4-hour, you can see now we've closed 2 candles above there, above the upward slope. So that's great. So we could just, we've hit this level of resistance. So if you guys want, it's a good time to take a bit of profits. But I'm going to show you the second thing here in the market right now. Okay, so essentially you can see here, okay, we have a nice big W pattern that has formed. Once again, Bitcoin loves the W patterns. Da Vinci speaks very much a lot about that. Here's the new neckline. So I wouldn't be surprised if we pull back to breakout level and then smash right through this zone. And the next target would be about 29.5K. Okay, so that's the next target, guys. If we do get up there and the volume starts to pick up, guys, I'm going to tell you that we've probably hit our next pullback bottom in Bitcoin. Now, I did draw the sloping trend line, so we are coming very, 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 very close to it. Let me just take away those little lines there. Okay, we have got the sloping trend line. We didn't make the bottom back here, so we didn't create a new bottom, which is good. We came all the way back up just about to the top of this channel, so that would be good. If we do pull up a little bit more, we still have this long-term trend line here now that we have to get above. Okay, so essentially I'd like to see a very, very strong pull up there and a candle close above there, but not before we have a nice little pullback. And my personal view is we should have a pullback to this zone somewhere here, and then a very strong breakout above this all the way up to the 29.5K level. Okay, so that would be my target and Bitcoin's next target. And I hope you guys enjoyed that. And if you want to see my trades, make sure to hit that notification bell, subscribe to my channel. And if you guys are enjoying this, let me know if you caught any of the trades that I recommended. Because there's a lot, of course, there, but they're looking super, super juicy. So we've still got a few more days to ride them. So I hope you guys enjoy them, and sending you all much beautiful blessings and love. Please remember to like, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you on the next one, beautiful souls. Have a wonderful Monday.